What's up, family? Now, y'all remember the levels for NVIDIA that I was telling y'all about. So, in 1 week, or let's look at it for the month. Now, the month of August, we was going up. That's why we was trading those calls, family. Hitting these numbers, 130. I had y'all in all those calls, 120, 130, 116, all of these calls, right? Now, look how things are shifting. It's all about cycles. Things shift, they up and they down. Now, we going down. See how this is going down? 109. We at 109 again, 108. And we're going to come back down here and test this 99, 98. Y'all see that? 97. And I'm going to tell y'all like this, family. That's your key. When it comes back down and test those levels, that's go time, family. It touched under $98. We need to try to buy as many shares as we can. Right there, that's the level, $97, right? Right off in here. Looking at these charts, teaching y'all how to look at these charts. Look at the low. Look at the lows, 99.95, 98.69, 97.22. So what this chart is telling us is that NVIDIA can come all the way down to $97 and what is it? 22 cents, right? So if we go set limit orders for 90 some dollars, $98, $97, you know what I'm saying? $96, $95, right off in there, $97, $98. Because it's going to come back and test that support level, right? And it's only a matter of time, family, but just be ready. What I want y'all to do, if y'all see right here, I got a limit order placed. Y'all see that, right? To buy 33 shares if this comes to $90.75. But I might change that to like $97. You know what I'm saying? But NVIDIA is down $11 today. Remember I was telling y'all, if it can't hold 116, it's going to 109. If it can't hold 109, it's coming to 106, 105. If it can't hold 105, then we looking at $97, $98, right? And then if it can't hold that, then that level of $90, $91 is where it's going to go to, family. So be encouraged. Use this as advice to help you with getting in, right? Not necessarily getting in where I say, but if you see it at a good price and you can get you 2, 3 of them, boom. You know, because I know it's $100. I know it's $97. But that's why we have to be stacking up for this. Now, I'm willing to spend a few stacks and go in and get that if it go up under $100, family. How much you willing to put up on it? And then to watch it go to $200 and all my money double up. That's what I want y'all to be in foresight. That's what you looking forward to, right? It's that $200 is coming next March, next July, right? Where the highs come. Understand the cycles. And then September, it all falls. That's why I tell y'all to be patient. Go set limit orders, right? And to set a limit order, you just hop in there. I want to buy this much at this price, right? Like I was showing y'all. You change it. You go to your orders. You say you want to place a limit order. And then you put in $97, $96. I want 5. I want 10. I want 20. I want 30. In my case, 33 of them. If it goes that low, we're going to go in hard. I love y'all, family. Stay on me. Peace.